Okay, download Terrain Toolkit repackage freely from Asset Store and add Terrain Toolkit to your terrain. First we need to add few layers, paint texture, add layers. You can create your desired layers. The first one must be cliff or rock. You need to add first layer cliff or rock. The next one can be everything that you like. This is the ground. Okay, now from here texture, first apply. As you can see, we have realistic terrain texturing. You can easily replace this layer with everything that you like. Okay. From here you can customize texturing. As you can see, everything looks realistic. You can also change the tile from here. Everything is on your hands. Okay, we have a very nice textured terrain. For our scene. You can easily customize to find your desired result. You can use other cliffs or other terrain textures. Okay, to fix the reflection problem, you need to open the texture on the photo editing software, copy and paste the channel here, and save as a TGA format. This is the smoothness map. As you can see, the smoothness is now based on this layer. Press Ctrl M. You can customize a smoothness map. The white parts are more shine and the black part is matte. Good. As you can see, the reflection map is now looks beautiful. Everything will depend on your textures. The quality is always depend on your textures. New track here. Nice. Everything will depend on your textures. Also, you need to create a new track here, fog color, nice. Now you need to create a new reflection prop on the center of the scene. Cover whole scene and press bake. As you can see, we have now a new reflection prop. As you can see, the scene looks good and ready to create our new race track by using Isro 3D.